Colorful succulents bring life and vibrance indoors, even in low-light spaces. Unlike sun-loving varieties, these unique plants retain their striking shades of pink, purple, red, and cream without direct sunlight. Perfect for brightening homes and offices, they combine low maintenance with stunning beauty, creating living decor that thrives effortlessly inside. Let's uncover the best colorful succulents that thrive without much sunlight. Aloe Christmas Carol Aloe Hybrid is a striking succulent admired for its festive colors and unique patterns. Its dark green leaves are edged with vibrant red margins, highlighted by golden yellow bumps, giving it a holiday-like charm all year. Compact and slow-growing, it thrives indoors in bright, indirect light but can tolerate low-light conditions. This hybrid is not only eye-catching but also easy to care for, requiring minimal watering and well-draining soil. Its colorful foliage makes it a perfect choice for tabletops, windowsills, or office desks, bringing warmth and vibrance to indoor spaces while staying resilient and low maintenance. Anacampsaros rufescens is a charming, colorful succulent known for its compact rosettes and jewel-like foliage. The leaves display a delightful mix of green, purple, and pink tones that intensify with age and good light, creating a vibrant display indoors. This slow-growing plant forms small clusters, eventually producing a beautiful mat of color. It thrives in well-draining soil and prefers moderate watering, making it easy to care for. Perfect for windowsills, shelves, or succulent arrangements, it also produces delicate, star-shaped pink flowers in summer. Anacampsaros rufescens is ideal for low-light indoor spaces, adding beauty and brightness with very little maintenance. Silver squill or Laidboria socialis is a unique, colorful succulent bulb plant prized for its striking foliage. Its leaves are silvery green with dark green leopard-like spots, while the undersides glow in shades of purple, creating a vibrant contrast. Compact and hardy, it thrives indoors, tolerating low light and neglect with ease. Over time, it forms attractive clumps of bulbs that sit partially above the soil, adding extra character. In spring and summer, it may surprise you with delicate spikes of tiny, starry greenish-white to lilac flowers. Silver squill is both ornamental and resilient, making it perfect for brightening indoor corners effortlessly. Peperomia graveolens Ruby Glow is a rare, eye-catching succulent that adds a splash of color to any indoor space. Its fleshy, boat-shaped leaves have a glossy green top surface and deep ruby-red undersides, creating a dramatic two-tone effect. Compact and slow-growing, it thrives in low to medium light, making it an excellent choice for homes and offices with limited sunlight. This low-maintenance plant requires minimal watering, preferring well-draining soil and occasional feeding. Ruby Glow also produces slender flower spikes, though its foliage is the true star. Perfect for tabletops, shelves, or succulent collections, it combines elegance with easy care. Ox tongue Gasteria obliqua is a hardy, low-light succulent valued for its thick, tongue-shaped leaves and unique patterns. Its foliage is dark green, often mottled with white or pale spots, giving it an ornamental appeal indoors. Compact and slow-growing, it thrives in shaded areas where other succulents may struggle, making it perfect for homes or offices with limited sunlight. Easy to maintain, it requires minimal watering and well-draining soil, adapting well to indoor conditions. In the right environment, it may produce tall flower spikes with clusters of tubular, pink to orange blossoms, adding charm and interest to its decorative foliage. Zebra haworthia, Hovediopsis attenuata is a popular indoor succulent loved for its striking, striped foliage. Its dark green, pointed leaves are decorated with bold white ridges, creating a zebra-like pattern that makes it stand out in any space. Compact and slow-growing, it fits perfectly on desks, shelves, or small planters. This hardy plant tolerates low light better than many succulents, making it ideal for indoor environments. It requires very little care, just occasional watering and well-draining soil. Sometimes, it produces slender flower stalks with delicate white blooms. Zebra haworthia is a stylish, low-maintenance plant that combines elegance with resilience indoors. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata golden honey, is a compact, colorful succulent variety known for its rosette of short, upright leaves. The foliage is deep green with bold horizontal bands and edged in golden yellow, giving it a bright, decorative appearance. Unlike many succulents, it thrives in low light and is highly adaptable to indoor conditions, making it a perfect choice for homes and offices. This variety is very low maintenance, requiring infrequent watering and tolerating periods of neglect. Its air purifying qualities add extra value, helping improve indoor air quality. Golden honey combines vibrant color, resilience, and elegance in a small, easy care package.